What if a small spoonful of natural peanut butter before bed could support several parts of your nighttime routine? For some older adults, a small bedtime snack may help with hunger, steady energy, and getting enough protein and healthy fats. But the key is keeping it simple. Peanut butter contains protein and healthy fats, so it digests more slowly than a sugary snack. That can help you feel satisfied through the night. If hunger is one reason you wake up, a small serving may be worth trying. There is another reason peanut butter gets attention after 60. Your muscles need protein to repair and maintain strength, and this becomes especially important as we age. Peanut butter can contribute some protein to your daily intake, although it should not replace a balanced, protein-rich diet. And then there is magnesium. Peanut butter provides a modest amount of this important mineral which supports normal muscle and nerve function. It's useful, but do not think of peanut butter as a cure for insomnia, cramps, or heart problems. Your overall diet matters much more. So what should you actually eat? Start small. 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter is enough for most people to test the idea. You can eat it by itself or pair it with a few apple slices, half a banana, or a piece of whole grain toast. Choose peanut butter with a simple ingredient list, ideally peanuts and a little salt, without added sugar or unnecessary oils.
But there is an important point. Eating before bed is not automatically better. Peanut butter is calorie-dense, and a large serving can work against your goals if you are trying to manage your weight. And if you have acid reflux, a high-fat snack close to bedtime may make symptoms worse. If you have diabetes, kidney disease, heart problems, a food allergy, or take prescription medication, talk with your healthcare professional before changing your nighttime eating routine. The goal is not to find one magic food. There is no magic food. The real goal is to get the basics right. Enough protein, nutritious meals, regular movement, good sleep habits, and consistency. If you enjoy peanut butter and it fits your needs, a small serving before bed can be a simple option. Start small, pay attention to how you feel, and keep the habit practical. Getting older does not mean you have to stop taking care of your strength and independence. Show up daily, do the basics right, and let consistency do the work. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple, practical health tips for people over 60. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.